we had a lot of blocking and tackling. And one of those was dealing with unauthorized third parties. If I showed you an example of what almost any keyword search looked like for our categories, we were mid to bottom, page 1 or page 2, or sometimes even worse than that. Some things that were maybe more bothersome were an awful lot of product delivery that didn't match the product description, and then a lot of damages as well. I got a referral from someone about this company, Gray Falkon, and the approach was just completely unique, entirely different than anything I had heard. So what Gray Falkon does that's different is they've put into code the ability to find violations and then file those violations with Amazon, so that then Amazon reviews that case and decides whether or not Amazon wants to take action. And that really mitigates the liability, right? Because it's Amazon taking action based on their rules that we are just helping to enforce, because we believe those rules are there for the customer's protection. So I've not found anyone else utilizing this methodology. Without question, it's the best one. It's the safest one, the most effective one. Like, it really works. The main difference we saw from before and after, traffic to our page, our product detail pages, really accelerated, right? We were down double digits first year ago, and then 1 month into our relationship with Gray Falkon, we were up double digits. We're at the top of the page, we get more traffic, we get more conversion, get more sales. You know, I think that first year we probably generated close to an extra $1 million in top line sales revenue. So a whole lot of efficiencies and a whole lot of sales growth as a result. Gray Falkon has a great dashboard to help me understand, the millions of dollars that we've removed from the Amazon listings. And I've absolutely adored the partnership that we have. It truly is a strategic partner. Feels like part of our company. The customer service, right, account management side of things, off the charts amazing. Wonderful. Everyone I've worked with, they go 2 extra miles to make sure that everything we need gets taken care of. So, I mean, the advice is you can't not do it. You can't do nothing. It's not fair to your consumers. It's not fair to your brand. And quite frankly, I think if you want to minimize the risk, you want to use Gray Falkon because of their process. It really leaves almost no risk for the brands.